Hello students, my name is Muhammad Sajid. Today I will teach you how to introduce yourself. Before knowing this, how to introduce yourself, we have to come to know what is the importance of introduction. Why we use introduction, introduce ourselves. Why we? Whenever we go for interview, whenever we go in the new classroom, at the time we have to introduce yourself because you have to introduce yourself in your new classes in front of hundreds of and 50 students and around 40 students in front of you. Have to introduce yourself. So what is introduction basically means is tell something about yourself, the short introduction. So we have to follow some pretty basic lines. For example, first of all we have to greet means say a good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Till 12 a.m. we say a good morning. After that 12 a.m. to 5 p.m. say a good afternoon, and after that after 5 p.m. we say a good evening. It's a formal way to greet. And apart from the informal way of greet, the greet simply mean is say good morning, good afternoon, hi, what's up, what is just going on. But there are two types of formal way and informal way. So what is the formal and informal way? It's also a greet, hi, hello, what's up, what is just going on. So you also use such kind of sentences and lines in your daily life, I'm sure. But formal way means whenever you just talk with your teachers, with your principals or with your parents, at that time you use a professionally. And apart from this, whenever you just talk with your friends, so at that time you use some kinds of words, unprofessional words, like what's up, hey, what is just going on, I gonna well, like that one. So it's the informal words. Apart from, there is a structure, so which can you can just follow out, and you can memorize the also. So the name, first of all you have to the name, class, place, wherever you just live. You can just give the brief and the short introduction about your family, hobbies, whichever you like most in your free time. So it's a hobbies, and aim whatever you want to be in your life, and the target of your life, the purpose of your life. So it's a target, aim, whatever you could say. Apart from this, you can just follow out this format. The format is my name is this one, and whatever your name is. Apart from, I study in class this, and I belong and live. Belong simply mean is just live, I live there. And wherever you just live, you can just mention your location. And apart from this, there are 5, 4 and 6 family members including me. What is the mean of including me? Including me means with me. Apart from this, my father's name is this one. For example, whatever is your father's name, so you can just mention there. It's a format, okay? So you can just put your personal detail here. Apart from this, my mother's name is this one, okay? Whatever your mother's name, I don't know really. So I have 3 siblings, 4 siblings, 2 siblings, whatever, including me or excluding me. What is the mean of including, excluding? I think you know very well, but including means with me, and excluding means without me. I have 3 siblings including me, that simply mean I have 3 sisters and brothers with me. And apart from this, there are 2 siblings excluding me, simply mean is I have sisters and brothers without me. 2 siblings, okay? So siblings mean a brother and sisters, okay? And apart from this, hobbies means whichever thing do you like most in your free time. For example, you are professionally teacher, professionally doctor, and maybe you are a professionally student, okay? So at that time you like most playing, okay? So I playing cricket, whatever game you like most, so you can just put out there. And I like most book readings, I like to do this one thing in my free time, whatever you like most to do in your free time, so you can just put in this format. Apart from this, the aim, target of life. What is the mean exact of that? The mean is aim. Whatever you want to be in your life, that's simply mean is I want to be what you want to be in your life. So I want to be a doctor, engineer, whatever you want to do in your life, so you can just put there the meaning of exact that. So this format, it's only format. You have to practice, you have to write down in your notebook, and you are to just practice, because maybe you cannot speak English very well, but whenever you will speak in front of thousands of people on a stage, at the time you will get struck. Maybe you are just familiar with not a too much, because you don't practice in your daily life, because you study and read the book in English, every single context in English, but you don't practice in your daily life. So that's why you are not much familiar. Even then you can speak English, but whenever you will speak in front of thousands of people, you will get stuck. If you want practice, if you will practice a lot of this introduction and introduce, then you can speak English, and you can introduce also yourself very well with confident, and you can just pass out the and you can crack also and pass out the interview and any of kind thing. Okay, so I will see you soon in my next video. Okay.